Hey, what's up? This is Jake. You're in Jake's shop. So, gonna take a little break on the 68 right now, and I've got my buddy Chris in here. Say hi, Chris.
Hello.
Well, I kind of helped convince him. He's been looking for a 69 forever, and he found a sweet one. This thing has very little rust in it. I'm gonna help him do some patch panels, a couple things, maybe fire this thing off. Best we can tell is it's got the numbers matching engine block with it. It's some sort of SS car. Maybe we'll find the build sheet. Maybe we won't. We're gonna take a look at it. And so on this video, I'll probably do a lot of some clips and different things of how we're gonna do the rear quarters on this car. I'll flip the camera around and show you a little bit more about it, and we'll go from there. Okay, so here she is. Really, this car was a great find. No rust. Floor pans look really good. A couple little spots in there. We're going to put a couple little patch panels in, but overall, pretty unique car. Been sitting in a shop or a garage for minimally the last 10 years. I've got the numbers matching 350, 300 horse in here. We're going to pull the carb off, put an HEI on it, and go from there. But yeah, it's definitely been rebuilt, best we can tell, and we're going to see if it lights off. Here's some of the things we're going to go ahead and do in the shop too. This is really the worst problem on the car, is these areas in here. You know, the lower quarters, the lower rockers, everything appears to be in really good shape. But right around these wheelhouses, we're going to end up cutting this all out and patching it in. So we'll go through process on the driver's side first, kind of show a little bit about what that's going to look like. But yeah, overall, you know, it's got a little surface rust here and there, but really that's nothing. The trunk pan's even in really good condition. It's a little surface rust, it's not a hole. So yeah, it's really kind of unique to be able to get a 69 in here. Probably going to do a rear valence. I don't know. I'm going to look at it a little closer, maybe play with it a little before we do the whole rear valence, but I do like the idea of using stock sheet metal as much as possible on these cars. And then this is the other wheelhouse we're going to go ahead and redo. So got some new skins. Going to be doing flange weld on this and flanging it. Got some brand new skins for it. And at least get the major rust out of the car, because really that's the bulk of it on this thing. It's in really, really good condition. So we'll take it on the next step. Okay, so I'm probably going to wrap up this video, at least for the start of this 69 that I'm working on with my buddy here. Did a couple things. I spent one night in the shop, well, 2 nights now. I'm on my 3rd night. Tore it apart. Got the doors off. Did a little repair on the corner of the door here. Actually got it fired up the other night. It was great. Threw the HEI in, took the carb off, just cleaned it out. It fired right up. It actually idled. So didn't run it long, but yeah, it runs. So the good news is I don't have to pull it onto a trailer any longer. But I'll go ahead and do some more videos on this car. You know, hit like and subscribe if you want to keep seeing this car. I did go ahead and do the rear floor pan in it real quick. I have previous videos on that I did on the 68. Very small repair there. Took a few hours, of course, but went ahead and did that. And I'm just tinkering on this car, helping a buddy out. And next, I'll probably end up doing a video on this rear wheelhouse. Not this particular one. I'm going to go ahead and take care of this one. I'll probably do the other side. But basically, part of the wheelhouse actually needed to get replaced. I went ahead and cut a patch panel in to fix this new fender lip that I'm just test fitting it now, but I'll be cutting and welding that in. And then welding the patch panel here on the valence side of it. You know, there isn't much rust in this car, which is really handy, but definitely eliminating anything that has any major issues. So, yeah, that's kind of a quick thing on this car, at least for now. I'm going to do the solid bushings just like I did on my 68 on this car before it leaves, and at least get it to where most of the metal work is done, the big components, and then he'll take it out of here so I can get back working on my 68. But hey, I'll go ahead and do another video on the other side, and if you like this at all or want to see more of this car, hit like and subscribe. Thanks.